Hey guys, we're back at Oracle and Auto Mall, and this Novak signal right up there changed. Let's see what it sounds like. Let's see what it sounds like now. No, it doesn't. Same one we did last time, but the last time I was here, that Novak signal right there is changed. Walk sign is on that side, but let's see what's going on now. Novak signal on one side. This one's probably still got the countdown. It's about to start. The countdown just started. Maybe if I hold the button in, the countdown will start easily. Try again. The countdown's starting. I think they're gonna install a new button right there. I don't know. But whatever it is, these buttons right here are the same still. Let's see what happens. I think this is gonna go off any minute. Maybe not. Gotta wait to cross. I wonder what it sounds like now that it's got a new speaker up there. Still squeals.